Then, with regard to Qazi Sajid Zafar, the individual who you work with, Maulana Asrar has said that he in fact himself is in charge of this masjid, SBC Masjid in Birmingham, and that Qazi Sajid Zafar also works there alongside himself. Then this raises the question, why would you have somebody with such deviant views working with you like this, and then also promoting him on your official page, when he is someone who has openly promoted Taqi Usmani and the likes of Tahirul Qadri? Now, why would you promote this individual, Qazi Sajid Zafar? And you should know very well, you mentioned that he has done tawbah, but the tawbah is not open. Nobody has seen his public tawbah. So I await for the public tawbah of Qazi Sajid Zafar. One other point which I do feel is pertinent and important to mention here is the fact that an individual known as Muhammad Shafiq, who happens to be an ardent supporter and follower of Abdul Qadir Shah, the infamous individual from Walthamstow, who has criticized and attacked the companions on numerous occasions, radiyallahu anhum ajma'in, and is somebody who I have refuted openly as well, that how come this individual is praising Asrar Rashid and at the same time slandering me? And where is the statement of Asrar Rashid distancing himself from individuals like Muhammad Shafiq?